IOM and the FSM National Migration Taskforce are conducting research on the FSM migration. Are you an FSM citizen or of an FSM background? Are you a foreigner living, working, or studying in FSM? Would you like to be part of a research to support the development of the national migration policy for the Federated States of Micronesia? The Government of FSM is underway to developing its first national migration policy, led by the National Migration Policy Development Task Force and supported by the International Organization for Migration, IOM. What can you do to help? As part of the policy development process, the task force, together with IOM, is collecting information from individuals like yourself about recent trends, causes, and patterns of migration to and from FSM. By participating in this survey, you will play a significant role in contributing to migration data, such as the reasons behind people's decision to migrate, how well are migrants settling in, and what has been their migration experiences in FSM. Your input is invaluable to the research process. It will provide firsthand information that will go a long way in developing a migration policy that reflects the realities of movements to and from FSM. The survey will take no more than 10 minutes to complete. Your identity and any information collected during the research will be anonymous and used for the specific purposes of this research only. For more information, please contact Jelena Kelly at jkelly@iom.int.